Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate social and email creator system. I'm going to start off by showing you how it all works, and we'll log in right now. In your welcome email, you would have received a username and password and also the link to this login page. So go ahead and enter your username and password information. Okay, and log in there. Now you'll be presented with what I call the dashboard, which is basically a breakdown of all the accounts you created today and also in total, and also some CAPTCHA information like your balance and other bad or good CAPTCHAs that it's solved. So now you have 7 options here, 7 different types of accounts you can create. But before you're able to create any of these accounts, you must go into your account settings page and set up your proxies and your CAPTCHA solving company. Now I give 3 options for CAPTCHA solving: Death by CAPTCHA, Image Typers, which is the company I use, and DCAPTCHA. Also, as a note, that this system utilizes private proxies, meaning that you should be entering private proxies. If you enter public proxies, a lot of the times they don't support secure HTTP, which means that basically the account creators aren't going to work. So save yourself the headache and get some private proxies. They're not that expensive, and they'll last you a very long time. Now, if your private proxies require IP authorization, make sure to add this IP to the IP authorization list. If not, you'll just enter them like IP port, user, and pass, standard proxy format. Okay, so let's start off by entering our CAPTCHA solver account information. Okay, now that that's entered, oops, fix that up. Okay, we're going to add our proxies. So I have a list of 50 private proxies already linked to this server IP, so I'm going to add those now. And I'm just going to save all the settings. Okay, so that's all done. Now to verify that your settings were good, just click Dashboard. And it's going to show you that you have 50 proxies in the system to use, and your CAPTCHA balance at whatever CAPTCHA solver you're using. In this case, Image Typers. It's also going to show you, like I said, a breakdown of all these accounts. So now let's just make some accounts. When I click Twitter, basically this is a very straightforward system. This is going to list all the information on the accounts, the proxies you use, the name on the account, the username, password, the confirmation link for Twitter in this case, and the date created. You'll be able to download these into an Excel spreadsheet. This will also give you a breakdown of how many you have in your system, how many you created total. Now, this beautiful feature that I added, is a bonus system called Get 10 Instant Accounts. So what that basically means is each day, every 24 hours, you'll be able to request 10 instant accounts. They don't require proxies, CAPTCHAs, nothing. So if you want 10 Hotmails, 10 Twitters, 10 Yahoos, Gmail, etc., you just simply click this inside that particular account creator and it'll display them below. I can show you quickly how that works. We're just basically going to click get 10 instant accounts, and you'll be able to get 2,100 accounts per month, which is unheard of in the industry. So I'll just click that now. It's going to tell me, oh, good request, updating your table, and boom. These accounts will work. I'll go to Twitter and I'll show you that they're working. So let's go to Twitter. Okay. Now I'm going to grab this username here. I'm going to enter it in here. Oops. And I'm going to grab its password, Jones. And I'm going to enter it here. And I'm just going to sign in. Now you can see Nicholas Jones is the account, and Nicholas Jones is the account. That's also the confirmation link that was sent in the email. So that's all been confirmed, and you're basically ready to go for that. Okay, so let's say now I've used my 10 accounts, so I'll try and do it again. It'll tell me, nope, I've already made requests for this today, but that's just for Twitter. You can still make requests for all the other ones. So I'm going to create 10 additional accounts, and let's go ahead and create them. Now this is going to basically tell you, email confirmation takes time, which it does, so you can wait up to a minute to get the accounts. Now, although these say created accounts 9, that just simply means that your accounts are created. That doesn't mean they're confirmed yet. So take that into consideration. This will update once the confirmation code is here, but you'll still be able to log in with these accounts. So I created 9 successful. I had 2 bad captures, and also when you get bad captures, those are reported to your capture company so that you don't get charged for those incorrect captures. So as you can see, I created 19 total, the 10 I requested, and the 9 that were successfully created. So just to verify that that one's created, I'm going to go back to Twitter, just show you guys that this actually works, and take that password. Okay, and I'm going to basically enter that in. And it's basically going to tell me that it needs to confirm my email address, but the system is in the process of confirming it. It just takes a couple minutes, so just let it do its thing. And basically that's it. So I'm going to go down to Gmail, and it'll also show you up here that you created those. Okay, so give me 10 free accounts right now. Okay, so there's the full name. Now let's go to Gmail and try this out. By the way, Gmail is also YouTube, also Google+, basically anything that's Google related, this account will work for. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to take that, and I'm going to sign in here. And as you can see, the account was successfully created. There's his name or her name, whatever it created. He uses 100% legitimate names, so you guys don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to decide that I also want to create 10 accounts right now. So it'll start doing its thing. This table will update, like I said before, once it's all complete. Now, the PVA accounts do use legitimate phone numbers. It's not, solving using CAPTCHAs. It's solving using phone numbers. The only thing is CAPTCHAs are used within the system because the company where the phone numbers come from require CAPTCHA to log in. So that is why CAPTCHAs are used. And it'll basically do its thing. Good CAPTCHAs, bad CAPTCHAs, yada yada. Failed accounts, good accounts. And you can leave this, so you don't need to have this running. So just remember, we created 10 today. We already know that there's 8 good CAPTCHAs, so hopefully it'll create 8 good accounts. Let's go to Pinterest. So that's doing its thing in the background still, the Gmail part, so you don't really have to worry about that. That's just basically a status update that you saw. So let's create 10 Pinterest accounts. And it's going to do its thing. And just give it a couple minutes. I've tried to make this as simple as possible for you guys to use, where you literally just log in and create accounts or get accounts so you can, get back to IMing, which is what we all love to do. Okay, so let's just leave that for now and just go take a look. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing about Instagram. Instagram only allows 5 accounts per IP. If I didn't follow this, basically all your accounts would get banned. This is from me testing a lot, so I know 100% that you can only create 5 accounts per IP address. And so if you have 50 proxies, you can only create 250 accounts. So be aware of that when you decide to create Instagram accounts. Don't forget, you can also just use the get 10 instant accounts features. So let's go back to Pinterest. So as you can see, we created 5 today. And these are all here, and just to verify, we'll go to Pinterest. Okay. My internet's being very slow today for some reason. Okay, let's log in. Username, password. And as you can see, Charles Kilbride, and his name is Charles Kilbride. So that account was successful, as you can see. So I'll just log out of there. So be aware that yes, it'll create accounts, but if you do have bad CAPTCHAs, obviously it's not going to create those accounts with bad CAPTCHAs. So it's a lot contingent on your actual CAPTCHA solving company and your proxies. That's why I recommend private only. If you're using this to create thousands and thousands of accounts, have good proxies and have good CAPTCHA solving company to use. And that's about all she wrote, folks. And you can go back to the dashboard and see, like, okay, I created 18. Remember, we requested 10, so 8 were successful. So we have 8 new or 18 new Gmail accounts to use. 5. That's basically the breakdown. So if you have any questions or concerns, send us an email, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.